In 2022, I was diagnosed with sepsis. It all started on an evening. I was out at a meeting with somebody and I needed to go to the loo over and over again. And strangely, I had a water infection. By the end of the evening, I was being violently sick. I was shaking. I had a temperature and I thought I could sleep it off. But by the next morning, my wife found me barely conscious. She rang a GP. He referred me to A&E, and it was there that by the time I got seen, I didn't remember anything about that part of my journey. I was barely conscious. I had this impending sense of feeling like I was going to die. Everything was spinning around me. I was feeling hot but cold at the same time. And I just didn't know what to do with myself. Maybe for about